and welcome to our hiking adventure with the bright minds of the National Crescent Academy. Today we are embarking on a journey filled with excitement, nature and explorations, and our dear students, they are already ready, getting ready for today's hiking towards Shanti Stup. From here all the way walking to Shanti Stup from okay. We have reached Ratna Chowk, Rashtrabank Chowk, and after that Dam site. We have reached Rashtrabank Chowk. Our dear students, we have reached to Dam site. Our dear students, they are very much excited. How are feeling? Okay, we have reached here at Dam site after 10 minutes. You can see so fascinating nature, beauty of nature here.
Yes, just like you.
Okay, now we have reached to Phewa Bath Bridge. Here, quite dry here. So during winter season. Let's go, please. We'll stop there, okay? Starting.
Here is leopard.
Oh, here is leopard.
I cannot see any excitement. You're tired already?
No, sir.
Still we have a long way to go. Okay, now we have starting destination for starting heading towards our destination from here. Real hike starts from here. Our dear students, their excitement, and we can see a dog welcoming us. Stop there up, okay? Class 8 and 9 students, they are gearing up for this thrilling experiences. The anticipations is palpable. Everyone is ready to conquer the trails and make the memories that will last a long lifetime. Wow, so exciting. Challenges and breathtaking views, but with the teamwork and determinations, we are ready to take on whatever comes our ways. Oh, excited. Why you are moving in the wrong way, boys? Feeling, boys?
Sir, excited,
So
sir.
peace, excited.
Yes, sir.
So nice. Some of the students and some of them are already tired. So since they are already way ahead, and some of them are still coming.
I think
Our dear students, they are enjoying the nature, sitting on the dry tree, this fallen tree. Hey, how you are feeling? Very good.
excited.
Nice. Wow. Who is that next to you? Sahil.
That's so very nice.
Okay. I'm very much excited in this trail, and our one of the dear students from class 8 is going to share his experience of today's hiking. Okay, Sridesh, please tell your experience of today's hiking.
The feeling of reaching the summit after a challenging hike is indescribable. The sense of an achievement and the panoramic views make every step worth it. A day well spent.
Wow, so nice. That means they are feeling very excited. Class 8, student from class 8, Sahil Chetri is going to share his experience. Okay, Sahil, please share your experience of today's hiking.
Okay, so the outdoor is our playground and hiking is our favorite game. Exploring new trails, tackling obstacles and immersing ourselves in nature's wonder. And what more could we ask for? Thank you.
Okay, so very nice. So, nice comment, nice sharing from our dear students. उहाँलाई हाम्रो यो भ्लगमा धेरै धेरै स्वागत छ। दाइ नमस्ते।
नमस्ते।
आराम हुनुहुन्छ?
हजुर।
हजुर, कहाँदेखि हाम्रा विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरूले यहाँसम्म चाहिँ एउटा कहिले कहिले देखिन्छ, उहाँले देखिराख्नुहुन्छ। सो यु शुड बी रियली केयरफुल, ओके गाइज।
भन्नाले यो वनमा
यो त वन हो यो जङ्गल हो के
खेती भन्नु
भनेको तपाईँ आइतिर के खेती हुन्छ
ए हामीतिर धान हुन्छ सब
यहाँ एउटा रातो सानो मृग
मृग त झन् पाक्लै छ
हो आजकल चाहिँ यो जङ्गलमा मृग बाघहरू पनि देखिन थालेको छ धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद See the road, a very inclined uphills here. Some of the students, they are already tired, and some of we are in our destination now. We have reached our destinations, so you can see from here also that is our destination. And there's a restaurant from this World Peace Pagoda. Now we are quite near to that place, and some of our dear students, they are already way ahead to our destinations. And I want to ask one of our dear students, Rosika Pathak from class 8. So how was her experience of today's hiking? So Rosika, so can you share us your experience of today's hiking?
Hiking is not just reaching the destination, but it is a journey itself. The lesson learned, the bonds of nature are also great. We learn very good things. Nature. We can see a lot of beautiful views, and we met a lot of tourists also.
Wow, so nice. That means you have a good experience over here, no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
This is, I think, Choripatan. This other side of Pokhara. So this is we are to the south of this stupa here, and after some times I will really show you this view of Pokhara city. From here you can see the nature. So this is Fewa Lake, and our dear students, they are also enjoying the nature. Girls. Hello doggy, how are you? This dog is following us right from the beginning. Wow. No. Hello. Now really we are reaching up to our destinations. We are enjoying a lot in this today's hiking. Okay, I hope our students, dear students also, they already enjoyed. We are really enjoying this natural beauty of this place. Yeah, peace. Some of our dear students, they're that next. Finally, this is our destinations, and we are heading towards it. Wow. Finally, we're here. Up. Yeah. This is the picturesque city, Pokhara. This too. Back to school. Tiffin break पछि after the tiffin break we are Choripatan. We are heading towards Choripatan. From there we'll move to our school. Yeah.
The challenges and triumphs, there are moments of pure joy and camaraderie. These are the moments that reminds us of the beauty of togetherness and the joy of shared experience.
Our dear student Sophie, she is going to share her experience of today's hiking. Okay, so Sophie, how was your experience today?
Well, sir, hiking with friends is the heat therapy. Sharing thoughts, snacks, and stories along the trail made the experience even more special. Memories for a lifetime.
Wow, that means you really enjoyed, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks, sir.
Okay, once again, one of our dear students, Sika Thapas, is going to share her experience of today's hiking. Okay, Yesika, so can you just share your feelings of today's hiking?
So it is for me. It was very memorable trip with my friends because this is the first time I have experienced this type of hiking with friends, sharing, snacking. It was very enjoyable, but quite difficult also. Yeah, but it is very nice.
Okay, so that means that you. Thank you, Yesika. Once again, we have Chahana Buzel from class 9, and she is also going to share her experience about today's hiking. Okay, Chahana, can you just share how was your experience today?
Our hiking journey was filled with surprises and excitement.
Nice.
Each turn revealed a new wonders, reminding for us the magics of
Comes to close, we reflect on the memories made, the lesson learned, and the bond first. This hiking expedition has been more than just a journey through nature. It has been a journey of heart, soul. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep creating your own adventure. Thank you all of you. Bye.